Hey guys, so y'all have been asking where is the video for this wig? Well, here it is. Let's get into it. So this wig that I'm using in this video today is being sponsored by Premium Lace Wig. And this is their hairline. OMG, nice. I did actually go in and pluck the hairline to get it to look like this. I will be having an updated video coming soon. So now that I have the wig on, I'm going to go ahead and put some clips on just to push the hair back and make sure I don't cut, any hairs that I don't want to cut. So now that the lace or the wig is properly placed on my head, I'm going to go ahead and cut some of the lace off around the ears. And this is just going to help with laying this frontal nice and flat. As you can see, it goes behind my ear very nicely. And I'm gonna be real, it took me like several tries to get this step right without cutting off too much lace or too much of hair or cutting my ear. Yes, I have done that. So make sure you are careful when you are trying to cut your wigs yourself. But anyways, as you can see, this hairline looks amazing on this wig. Like, shout out to Premium Lace Wig. So now I'm going to go in with some scissors and I'm going to cut the lace off going in a zigzag motion, being sure not to cut straight across because cutting straight across will give off a unnatural look. And if you cut in a zigzag motion, it gives a more natural look of a hairline because, as we all know, no hairline is straight across. Your natural hairline, I'm sure, has dips and curves in it, and that is what we want to create when cutting this lace. And as you can see, the lace looks really nice. It is a little light, but that's okay because I can make it more of my skin tone. I would prefer for my lace to be either transparent or lighter because I can go in with powder and make the lace darker where it melts more into my skin. So because the lace is a little light, I am going to go in with some face powder. This is from Makeup Forever. This is my natural skin tone, and I'm going to apply this powder right on the lace where it is light, and this just blends more into the skin as well as into the hairline. And as you can see, that lightness that was there before is completely gone. Now because I'm not going to glue this wig down, you're still going to kind of see a little bit of the outline on the lace, but that's okay with me because I prefer not to glue my wigs down. Now you do get 6 inches of parting space on this wig in the middle, and you get about 4 inches of parting space if you go to the side. And if you go even deeper with your parting space on the side, you get 3 to 2 inches of parting space. And the only thing I'm doing here is just kind of playing with the hair, messing around with the hairline, just to see how exactly I want to style this hair. I don't know if I want to do like the flip over method or if I want to do like a middle part. Honestly, a middle part or a side part is like the hardest decision to make ever. So of course I decided to do a middle part, and I did go in and pluck the part just a little bit, and then I'm going in with a wax stick just to kind of smooth out the roots a little bit and going through with a hot comb. Now with my hot comb, I'm putting a lot more heat and pressure on the actual roots of this wig instead of heat and pressure all the way through the ends of this hair because I don't want to disturb the texture or the curl pattern of this wig. Now, if you're new to my channel or this is your first time watching my videos, I always go in with concealer or liquid foundation and apply it directly on my part. This helps with concealing any type of black knots that you may have that is visible, or it just helps with giving a more natural parting space look. I just prefer this technique. So now that my hairline and my parting space is situated, I'm going to go in with the noodle head. This is the noodle head curling cream, and I'm going to apply it all over this side of the wig. And also I did damp the wig first with just only using water in the spray bottle. Then I'm going to go in with my favorite curly hairbrush, which is a Demon brush from Sally's. I highly recommend that you get it. It will make a huge difference with your curly hair. So as you can see, this is the difference between wetting the hair with product and wearing the hair in its natural state. And honestly, I like both looks. As you can see, I am running my fingers through this hair without any problems. I did not use a brush or a comb to detangle this side of the wig because I wanted you guys just to see how smooth and easy it is to detangle this wig. Now, of course, because this is a curly texture, it is important to wet the hair first, then apply the product, then detangle the hair, whether you decide to use your fingers, a brush, or a comb, just to minimize the amount of shedding that you would get from detangling curly hair. But honestly, this hair does not really shed at all. I maybe got one or two strands and that was it. So now I'm going to go in with this Shea Moisture Shine Spray. I love this. I actually use this on my natural hair and it just keeps the hair looking shiny and healthy. So I'm just going to do that, and I'm taking a towel to scrunch up the hair, and then I'm going to go in with the Got To Be Glued gel, and I'm going to apply that directly on my hairline just to make it like stay in place. So now this step is totally optional. I am going to go in with some foaming spray. This is by Lotta Body. I love to use this now on my curly hair because what it does is it defines the curls a lot more. Now it does make the curls really stiff and crunchy, but I love that because when I get ready to run my fingers through the hair, or if I get ready to kind of restyle my hair, I don't have to worry about the hair being frizzy. So I'm going to apply this all over and let it sit for a couple of hours, and I will be back. And this is what the wig looks like when it's 100% dry. And as you can see, I'm running my fingers through the hair and I'm touching it and it's not frizzing up. It's because I used hair mousse to define my curls. If you're interested in purchasing this wig, everything will be below. You won't regret it. Bye guys.